Students, welcome back to the English online classes of class 2 from Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School. Students, today's topic is chapter 9 articles. Articles are a, an or the. These are three articles. So there are three articles in English language. They are a, an and the. Use of a and an. A and an are used with singular objects. The articles a and an are used before a singular naming words. If the noun begins with a consonant sound, we use a before it. For example, a hen, a doll, a snake, etc. So friends, what are consonants? There are 26 alphabets letters in our English language, and from 26 alphabets there are 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U, and the remaining are consonants. So a hen, a doll, a snake, H, D and S. These are the consonants. So we have to write here A before the consonant sound. If noun begins with a vowel sound, we use an before it. So there are 5 vowel sounds A, E, I, O, U. So we have to speak out the words and listen the sound of these words. An orange, O. An igloo, E. An aeroplane, A. So these are the sounds of vowels. So we have to mention A before these words. Let's do some exercise of these A or N. Put a tick mark against the correct and cross marks against the incorrect uses of A or N. A car. This is a correct because C is a consonant sound. An urn. So students, A is a vowel sound. So this is a correct. A chalk box. So ch is a consonant sound. So this is a correct. And balloon. So beta B is a consonant sound, and here it is written here N. So this is a incorrect. A elephant. A is a vowel sound. So before A we have to write here N. So this is a incorrect. And arrow. This is a correct. And ice cube. This is also a correct. A cloak. This is correct. A owl. This is incorrect. Owl. A is a vowel sound. So we have to mention here N instead of A. So it is incorrect word. Write A or N before each word. Snake. S is a consonant sound. So we have to write here A. Egg. A is a vowel sound. N. Girl. G is a consonant sound. G is a consonant sound. So we have to mention here A. Insect. E is a vowel sound. So we have to mention here N. Monkey. M is a consonant sound. So we have to mention here A. Duck. D is a consonant sound. So we have to mention here A. Tree. T is a consonant sound. So we have to mention here A. Owl. A is a vowel sound. So we have to mention here N. River. R. So it is a consonant sound. We have to mention here A. Sparrow. S is a consonant sound. We have to mention here A. Ant is a vowel sound A. So we have to mention here N. Mouse. M is a consonant sound. So we have to mention here A. So let's come to the next slide with uses of the. The is used before particular naming word, either singular or plural. So friend, the is used with singular and plural both, but the word will be the particular. The makes an object particular. We use it when talk about a thing second time. If we have to use first time, so we have to mention A or N if the object is singular, but the naming word is plural, that will be the usage of second time, or like this, an aunt. When we have to use an aunt, so the aunt, so we have to use here the. A parrot, firstly we have to write here a parrot. If we have to write that parrot, so we have to a parrot instead of the parrot. A lotus, if we use a lotus second time, so we have to mention here the lotus. The is used before the name of groups. The dog is a faithful animal, so dog is a group. The is before the name of geographical features like rivers, mountains, oceans, etc. For example, the Ganga is a holy river, so Ganga is a particular river name. The Himalayas are very high mountain range. The Himalayas are the mountain range, so Himalaya is the name of a particular mountain. The Indian Ocean is a very large, so Indian Ocean is the name of a particular ocean, so we have to write here the. The is used before the name of natural objects like sun, moon, earth, sky. So the sun, the earth revolves around the sun. The moon shines at night. The is before the name of religious book, newspaper, magazines, etc. For example, the Ramayana is a holy book. So Ramayana is a particular name of a holy book. I write the Hindustan Times. Hindustan Times is the name of a particular the newspaper. So we have to write here the Hindustan Times. The is before the used before the famous monuments, buildings, etc. For example, the Taj Mahal is in Agra. So Taj Mahal is a particular monument name. Our president lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Rashtrapati Bhavan is a particular building where the president lives. So we have to mention here the Rashtrapati Bhavan. The is also used before the name of the directions also. The sun rises in the east, the west, the north and the south. So we have to mention the before the directions name. Let's do some exercise. Fill in the blanks with a and or the. Dash Bible is a dash holy book. So Bible is a name of a particular holy book. So the Bible is a holy book. Dash Gomti flow through Lucknow. So Gomti is a particular river name. So the Gomti is flows through Lucknow. Surya is dash honest boy. So since in this word H is silent, so we have to speak out honest with O, with a vowel sound O. So we have to mention here N. Dash cow gives us milk. Cow is a group. So the cow, not a single cow. So group of the animal cow. So we have to mention here the. India Gate is in Delhi. India Gate is a particular monument. So we have to mention here the. The India Gate is in Delhi. The sunset. Sun is a natural object and west is a name of a direction. So in the both cases we have to write here the. I have dash pet dog. P. P is a consonant sound. So we have to write here a. So we have to dog the second time. We have to use the dog second time. So not here a dog. We have to mention the. The dog is a faithful animal. Dash computer. K. K is a consonant sound. So we have to write here a. A computer is electronic device. E. E is a vowel sound. So an electronic device. There is dash book on the table. B. B is a consonant sound. So we have to write here a. There is a book on the table. Radha uses dash raincoat. R. R is a consonant sound. So we have to mention a before consonant sound. A raincoat. And umbrella. A. We have to Listen the sound is a vowel sound. So we have to mention here an umbrella in rainy season. My brother has a very good collection of dash Reader's Digest book. Reader's Digest book is a particular book. So we have to mention here the Reader's Digest books. Dash old lady. O is a vowel sound. So we have to mention here N. I saw dash parrot. P is a consonant sound. So we have to write here a parrot. In the sky is a natural thing. Proud to be Indian. E is a vowel sound. So before vowel sound we have to mention N. Proud to be an Indian. Dash apple dash day keeps dash doctor away. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. So here we have to use doctor as a group of a person. So a is a vowel sound and apple. D is a consonant sound, a day. And doctor is a group of person, so the. So students, read the chapter carefully and complete the exercise in your book with the help of this video. So students, let us see you in next video. Up to you have to read this chapter thoroughly with the help of the video.